Welcome back to AKA Science. I'm Max, and this is Earth Rocks. It's Class 6, Meteorology. Let's get started with the winds of change. Pass out the weather journals and go over the traditional knowledge quotes about the weather. Then, pass out the compasses, and if they don't already know how to use them, show them how to find north. If you can, take the class outside and record their weather observations, including which way the wind is blowing, whether or not it's raining, how hot it is, how cold it is, etc. Then return inside and see what they think tomorrow's weather will be based on the available clues. Now let's move on to windbag. Unroll the titular windbag and make sure it's knotted securely at one end. Have a student unwrap a plastic straw and hold it tight on the other end, and then have them blow a few breaths through the straw into the windbag. See how much air has been collected through just the straw. Now take the straw out and have another student hold the bag open about 10 inches from their face, and then blow into the bag from there. After a few breaths, see how much air is collected in the bag. Have the students take turns trying either the straw or blowing into the open end, and we can move on to the final activity, the tornado tube. This one is a real crowd pleaser. Begin by passing out an empty bottle, a few beads, and the tornado tube itself to each student. Then pass out a second bottle filled about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full with water. Add the beads into the bottle with the water, these will help illustrate the vortex effect, and attach the empty bottle to the top of the tornado tube. Screw it in tight, then flip the whole thing over and give it a whirl. The resulting vortex is a model of a tornado. Let the students play with their tornado tubes, and then clean up, debrief, and on to Class 7.